guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a wallet review that I want to share with you today for my current wallet that I've been using since August. So I went ahead and ordered this back in August, and I believe it came the very end of August, if I'm not mistaken. So now, with it being the very end of December, I wanted to share with you because I've been using only this wallet since the day I got it. I switched out of my other wallet into this one, and I've just been loving it ever since. And the brand, once again, is Lug. I did do a full review on the Lug bag that I have. I'll link that video down below in case you want to check it out. But I just really love this wallet. I have always been on the hunt for wallets that are just functional, that can hold everything that I possibly need. And this wallet is called the Splits XL, and the print is called Camo Orchid. And it's obviously a pretty quilted camo print with pops of orchid in it, as you can see. It does have this removable clip or hook here with a wristlet strap that you can detach, but I just leave it on because it's really easy just to grab the wallet and go. The back here is the same print, but it doesn't have that quilted design. You can see the difference here. So the back's the same print, but just a solid, non-quilted kind of fabric. So, like I said, I've loved this wallet since I got it. And let's go ahead and I'm going to show you everything feature-wise that this wallet offers. I did get this on Amazon. I had a gift card back over the summer, a couple gift cards, and I purchased this on Amazon. It's actually on sale right now, so I will link it down below in the description box in case you want to check out, more features. It is RFID protected, which is great. So the first side, as you can see, there's two sides, looks like this. So there is a clear ID window. I do not keep my ID in here because I have a separate ID case that I use with my keys on it. But in here I actually keep our insurance cards. I just took them out for the purpose of the video. There is a pen slot here, and then behind this section there is a slip pocket. You can put receipts or anything you want. Some people I've seen put their checkbook in here, which does fit, but I just leave it empty. And then, as you can see, there are the ID window here, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots here. You can put more than one card in these slots, but I pretty much carry minimal cards as far as credit cards. So I just carry my debit cards for my checking and savings account. I carry my Target Red card, and then I just have an emergency credit card if I need it. And then above that is this ample pocket here. I've seen a lot of people put their cell phone in here, but I just use this for cash when I do carry cash. It just fits in this pocket perfectly. The pocket, like I said, you can put your cell phone in there if you're somebody that never carries cash or you want to put your cash somewhere else. So it opens completely flat, as you can see. And the zippers are this gunmetal zipper, really nice high quality zippers, and they zipper just buttery smooth. The next section here, behind the section I just showed you, opens with a gusset on the side here. It kind of fans out like an accordion, and it allows you to open nice and wide, but nothing falls out. There are so many card slots in this wallet, it is unreal. So first off, behind this wall of card slots, there is another compartment. I have nothing in it because I have everything I possibly need in my wallet with ample room left over. And in these card slots here, I just use I use them for gift cards, reward cards, library card, things like that, different store loyalty cards, that kind of thing. So there are card slots on this side, card slots on this side, and then if you turn it around, there are even more card slots on the other side. I don't even have them all filled because there are so many, with another open compartment here, which some people use this for cash, and the other slot that I keep my cash in, like I mentioned, for their phone. And then still the other side, more cards here, more card slots. You turn it around, there's even more card slots, another ample compartment here. And then on the other side, there is another slip pocket in the back that I keep coupons and different like punch cards and things like that on that side. So as you can see, there is no shortage of card storage. Oftentimes in the past, I have had gift cards that wouldn't fit correctly in previous wallets, so I would put my gift cards separately. But this wallet allows me to put all my reward cards, all my gift cards, credit cards, etc. all in one. And as you can see, I have ample areas left for storage. And like I said, the zippers are just buttery smooth. The back side here has a zipper that runs almost the whole length, and this is where you can keep your coin. So there is a little gusset on the side, and then I just always keep like a little scissor if I need to cut off a tag or a string or something, and I just keep some coin in here. I try not to keep too much coin so it doesn't bulk up my wallet too much, but these zippers are just so smooth, so easy to use. This wallet comes in a bunch of different prints. Like, you know, all brands, they come out with different prints. I'm not sure for this brand if it's seasonally or quarterly or how they do it, but I know they're always coming out with new prints. This one in particular, like I said, the Camel Orchid is on sale right now. So I will go ahead and put that link down below. If you are new here and you do happen to like bag and wallet handbag reviews, I have an entire playlist. I have over 120 videos from over the years of all different bags, all different wallets, all different accessories that I have done full reviews on over the many years here on YouTube. And I've just always been a bag and accessory person. I've always loved bags and accessories, literally since I was a teenager. And this wallet is just great. I have no intention right now of switching out of this wallet into you know, a different one. I'm just really enjoying this. I actually am possibly thinking about trying another different style wallet from this brand in the future. There's a couple that I have my eye on that I highly recommend it. I am currently using, let me show you guys what bag I'm carrying this wallet in right now. So this is the current bag I'm using. I'm not going to go too into depth because the video is about my wallet and not the bag, but I always find it interesting to see what bags people use their accessories in. I'm not a matchy person, so obviously camo and floral doesn't really match, but that doesn't matter to me. I was using my lug bag for many months, but I just switched over recently-ish to this one. I have a couple of these. They're the Kavu sling bags, the rope bags. I love it. It's very unique looking. It's like a tear shape, and it's a great outdoor bag as well. I think I might do a full video on this bag because it's just really unique, really fun, and I just love the print. It's like a really nice kind of dark gunmetal gray color quilted with this floral print, and this wallet fits perfectly in here. The zippers are on the sides, but anyways, I'll do a whole review on that down the road. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video on this Splits XL and Camel Orchid. I'll also leave the Lug website down below because they have travel luggage, they have all different wallet styles, a cosmetic bag line, all different handbags. There are so many bags from this brand, and I'm definitely excited down the road to purchase more bags, you know, accessories, wallets, etc. from it because I just love how it feels in my hand. I love how well thought out it is. I think the price point is really great for these. This one is on sale, I think, for about $42 or $43, which in my opinion is a great price point for a high quality wallet. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very happy new year, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.